Engines running. Crews get money based on the number of calls they go out to, which is a problem for small communities.
Today, EMS personnel and advocates met with state legislators to fix the problem. Claire Kreitz was at that meeting and explains why this is happening. Claire?
Well, Bob and Ashley, those presenting to state officials today say that public safety is like a three-legged stool made up of fire, police, and EMS. They say that EMS leg is hanging on by a thread. It all boils down to those communities with small populations don't have the call logs to support the service. Sirens.
Obviously, if you're not having a run, somebody's healthy, no one's hurt.
The sound of silence seems like a good thing.
But when that is sitting there and not operating, then they're not getting paid.
In the state of Arkansas, 25 counties are having trouble keeping their ambulance service running.
There are actually communities that right now are deciding whether they will have an ambulance service tomorrow or next week or next month.
According to Arkansas Ambulance Association's Government Affairs Chairman, Ken Kelly, for those rural areas, they don't have the number of calls to support the service. But that doesn't mean it's a service that's not needed.
Oh, they're actually the lifeblood of the community.
One of the communities in that danger zone, Perry County.
Now is the time we actually have to start seeking solutions.
District 15 State Senator Mark Johnson says it comes down to funding.
Medicaid reimbursement has been flat, has not had an increase in 25 years.
In this hearing, state legislators heard solutions to the growing problem.
We're in a critical situation, but we're rapidly moving to a crisis.
Like now, the availability of an upward payment limit program that's similar to what nursing homes and hospitals use.
We just need some help getting across the finish line.
While this discussion barely scratched the surface, those EMS advocates are happy with what they heard.
So I think this was a great meeting today, and we can't thank them enough for hearing our issues and helping us find ways to address it.
The state legislator will have budget hearings ahead of their fiscal session April 8th. This will definitely be a topic discussed because if something doesn't change, some of those rural communities could eventually lose their ambulance service. Bob and Ashley, back to you.
All right, we'll be